Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have macaroni and cheese, broccoli, and fried chicken. You don't know what we went through with this fried chicken, but it was worth it.
It was worth it. We did put in the turkey fryer. Well, be a problem, but it's alright.
Sometimes you gotta compromise. No. Sometimes you gotta improvise. Understand?
So,
Be a problems.
Be a problem. But it's alright though, fella. Here, give you some. Ooh, take some macaroni and the broccoli.
Like we say, family, sometimes the behind the scene is rough. But we always make it work.
Behind the scene is rough.
Rough.
I don't know that. This is no RFC, but it could pass.
Okay. We were having problems with the fryer. And then we had to move it into the air fryer. It was just, we made it work. I hope you guys are enjoying your patties then.
Oh, you sure did. Appreciate everyone of y'all. We ain't gonna stop saying that. Y'all showing us some love, you know?
Yes. To everyone who placed their order,
Yep.
we appreciate that. Okay.
Yeah, 2 times.
Yeah, so everyone who placed their orders, we appreciate it. We was getting orders, guys. Okay? We was busy.
Working.
And we're trying to get down a good system. You know, it's sad, but we can't control the post office.
Yeah.
We would like for your items to get there sooner than 1 day, but you guys don't want to pay 1 day shipping. That's a lot of money. And to me, it's not worth it, you know? So I tried to find a good way to ship that won't cost too much. Because you gotta understand, it's frozen stuff. So a lot goes into shipping frozen things. It's not like butter sauce or merchandise that you can just throw in a container and ship it. And even if it's sitting there, it's not gonna get spoiled. Our stuff, it gotta be there. It cannot be sitting there, because dry ice can only last but so long. You know?
True.
Yeah. So just bear with us. If you've ordered your patty, you're probably going to get it tomorrow. Some people have already received theirs, baked theirs, and eaten theirs.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, he's hungry. Give us your feedback, your honest feedback. Let us know. You know? You can hit us up on Instagram. Let us know. Say, hey, I received mine. And it was still cold. It was in good condition. Let us know, because that helps us out. Okay?
Full of chat, man.
That let us know.
Yeah.
That lets us know
Yep.
if we need to add more dry ice. Because remember, guys, we did a test run. Okay? And the test run was successful.
Sure.
But that was months ago when it wasn't as hot. You know? So, you guys see my little Tabasco sauce? Look at that. My sister gave this to me. Open it though. Okay, so it's opening. I don't know, say this sucker can't open. But yeah. Oh, my little Tabasco sauce. And then I have some honey over here. I don't know what happened to my honey thing. Should I put it like that? No, it's not gonna work. Alright guys, so I have some honey here on the side to
Steak piece is hot.
ooh, put my chicken on.
It's hot. It's hot.
And my hot sauce. Does this work? Tell me not come out. Oh, it's a come out. Oh, you saw that?
Come on now.
Oh, hot man.
Yo, that 2 times spicy hot like it's been sitting on soap. Really appreciate the Greedy family.
They came through.
First they said it right, you know? Give us our feedback, let us know. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing. If it's not right, we're gonna fix it. You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
So you don't have to worry about it.
That's why it's hard.
We take care of y'all.
That's why it'd be hard to ship it internationally. Okay? Because going through custom and all, I don't think we could do it, guys. I know we would love to, but it has to make sense.
Yep.
And we don't want to keep on shipping, reshipping.
Reshipping. You know?
If it's not working, you know?
Yeah. But that's one thing. We keep our word. You know? We will. We'll sure take care of y'all.
We wanted to do something that we enjoyed, and we enjoy eating some patties. And something that we can get to you.
Yeah.
And it can get to you. We just have to make sure that if we need to increase our dry ice. That's all. Once we get that down packed, we're good.
That's it.
That's it.
That's why we need your feedback. You know what I'm saying? We gonna make it work.
Ooh.
So, done?
I love this sauce.
Is that ready?
It's so little and dainty like me.
Yep.
Hot man.
You know how much I think?
Oh, let me get this piece right here. This chicken right here, this piece right here looks really good. Yeah, it's hitting. Finally. How?
That sounds hot.
Who reached it? Which one of the family members said that they got their patties and they have it in the oven?
Let me see if I say the name right. Natalia, right? Yugi. Correct me if we're wrong.
Or Natalia.
Yeah.
She said she received hers and sure they put 3 in the oven already.
We got best out. We appreciate you.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying, family? So that's why it was holding off so long. Cause those we were worrying about that. You know what I'm saying? That we had to do a little couple. You know what I'm saying? First they said run. It was successful, but these post office, they have a time when they tell you, oh, they're gonna reach here this time, and then it doesn't. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly, and
So
that's what happened.
that's what's gonna mess it up. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, let us know. As we said before. No.
So what we will do is, what we have to do is, we have to account for if there's an extra day. So we just have to add more dry ice. That's all.
Not a biggie.
Nope.
Not a biggie.
If it gets there in 2 days, great. It'll be still cold. In 4 days, great. You know what I mean? But we don't want no more than that. So the post office can get it together.
Tighten up, y'all.
I'm sorry, we ship the packages out early.
As soon as all that came in.
So imagine if we shipped out the orders out on a Thursday. You guys wouldn't get it Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You might get it Monday, maybe even Tuesday. That's too long for frozen stuff.
No.
We wouldn't want that.
I'll come drive and come give it to y'all then. Gotta be the delivery man.
They would love that.
Wow. Oh my God. What happened?
Where's your macaroni and cheese?
Look like you had more than me.
I didn't see you eat that. I'm serious. I did not see. I did not see you eat that macaroni.
So what I was eating?
I saw you eating chicken. I did not see you eat macaroni. That's why I was like, wow, you was hungry.
Behind the scene is rough.
I agree.
I don't want that gravy.
You're saying what's new. You're being hungry.
I'm not greedy and I'm not hungry like that. I just eat with my belly can hold. Alright, family?
That's everything?
That behind the scene. Wow.
That behind the scene today had us for man.
Trust me.
If you guys only knew. If you went through what we went through behind the scenes, you would have said to yourself, I'm not doing no video either. But your show must go on. You know?
Have to. Your first day, the show must go on. And it went on.
It went on.
Yeah, right.
Food come out good too.
Listen, you piss me off, man. You the shit that piss me off.
Yeah. Because the Barbie fry.
Yeah, done. 1, 2, 3.
Not the Barbie fry.
What?
RFC.
They've been done in a minute.
It tastes really good.
Excuse me.
Trust me. But when you have to take it out of the fryer and put it in the air fryer, it just throws you off, you know? So I should stop.
They didn't get the RFC today, my RFC. It's come to RFC today. I'll give you the RFC soon.
Yeah, soon. This is just fried chicken.
This is just regular fried chicken. This ain't no RFC. This is something that could fly away in your belly.
Yeah, because
RFC would have been done already.
that deep fryer is tripping.
Yeah,
I gotta get a new one.
Deep fry old. I'm just saying, me get macaroni the fuck. You want the rest of your macaroni?
He's hungry today, so. Every day.
You're not supposed to say that, boy. I'm hungry every day. Don't follow first day. Boy, I'm hungry every day. What's new? I heard y'all.
But hey, you're supposed to be hungry. But family brother, you can't do it.
Family knows I gotta eat my food because I gotta go there go make your money.
It's all done. That's so sweet. I like it.
Family, I gotta make first day the money so I be hungry because I be working hard. Wow. Only if you know. Yes, we sorry we didn't post.
Yes.
We're sorry. You know. Just one of those times, you know? It's like just everything just happening right after another, after another, after another. You know what I'm saying? But I'm done.
I'm getting ice cream.
Let me give lovely people all your till Wendy. We ain't get it in 2 weeks. So there we are. I'm gonna give you lovely people a word of wisdom. I enjoy chicken, but I enjoy my RFC more.
Yeah. It's only because the deep fryer comes out on us and we had to then move it to the air fryer. That's why. But it's still good.
It's still good, but
we wanted that RFC, that crunch and that
But it's all good though. I'm gonna give you a beautiful people a word of wisdom. First, listen to this. Family, don't downgrade your dream just to fit your reality. Upgrade your conviction to match your destiny.
That's a good one.
You know, I'm gonna read it again
You have
because
to.
my family member don't like when I read it one time. You know, big up yourself, family member. You know that. You know I'm talking to you. I know. I see the comments. All right, I'm gonna read it again. I'm going to read it again now, First Lady. You want to listen?
I'm listening.
So make sure you listen up. All right. Family, don't downgrade your dream just to fit your reality. Upgrade your conviction to match your destiny.
That's right.
If you could relate, relate. If you want to participate, participate. Get it while it's hot, not while there's not. The greedy couples party's in the description, and don't forget it. Tell a friend to tell a friend to know a friend to show a friend. And if you care, you will share. And make sure you don't tear. All right.
Tear what?
Or another episode. All right. I'm Richie, and this is AKA First Lady, AKA Shanice. And they are?
And you guys are the Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Mukbang. Bye.
We appreciate y'all.